You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Butch and I are going to play the fingerboard game hockey. Ice hockey, to be exact.
Good timing, LPS-Dave. Do you know there was a big event this week in the ice hockey world?
Can we start that over? I would like to do everything like we're being fast-forwarded.
Oh, good idea.
You ready? Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, fingerboard games hockey. I said Butch and I are going to play this game, and I found it at the thrift store.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
Yep, how you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Actually, I found this at the good one.
Oh, good.
Dollar store.
Ice hockey.
It was a dollar store.
It's ice hockey,
Okay.
LPS-Dave. Do you know?
Stop! I found this at the dollar store.
Now, let's slow it
Okay. There was 2 other games, and I thought since we have done them before, stop! I figured it'd be good for us to actually play these.
There's been a monumental ice hockey event in the last couple of weeks here, LPS-Dave. Do you know
USA!
that?
Yeah.
USA.
Yeah, so.
Sorry to our Canadian friends.
Yeah.
USA men's and women's Olympic hockey teams.
Took it all.
Dominant, LPS-Dave.
I don't think we're going to have that excitement here, because this you just play with your finger.
Oh, there's no overtime golden goal here.
Use spring trigger to aim and shoot. It's got like a little spring on its finger. What? Spring trigger?
He's got an interesting little thing. Is there some kind of a mitt that comes
I
along
have it
with this?
stuck down because it would not stand.
Shoot!
Shoot. Use spring finger. Oh, there must be some kind of little launcher. Now,
I thought he was saying shoot because he missed.
age is 3+, so I don't know if you can play. It's for mature people.
Yeah.
Fingerboard game. It's a little cardboard box, and it's blue, and it says ice hockey and a big puck in the middle, like going through the glass. All right, we are going to get it out of the package. Are you back in slow motion?
This is
Going to get it out of the package.
careful.
A little late on that. Here we go. Let's pull it out of the package. Flip it over so we get a better presentation.
I like the
Ooh,
slow-mo on the reveal,
it
LPS,
looks
Dave.
pretty cool. Let me.
It's really good, LPS. I really like it.
Here, I got my
It's
scissors. I'll cut this open. I'll make sure I don't cut myself because they tell me not to cut myself.
We
again.
probably should have gone fast motion when you got the site.
I know. I don't know why you changed. I didn't want to do that right now. I wanted to stay in slow motion, but okay.
I wonder if those are magnets.
Must change camera angle. I will lift the camera up
Back here, LPS.
and zoom in.
I'm back.
All right, here we go. Regular stuff. So you have 3 pucks. 1, 2, 3. You have the net, which seems to just slip into these holes.
Pop. Pop.
I'm not getting a pop.
Snap.
Snap,
Crackle.
crackle,
Careful.
puck.
There we go.
And then the goalie, he seems to be fixed.
I know the feeling. There's a pop.
Okay, now, and here's the slidey thingy.
Oh, that's the little shoot. It looks like a hockey stick, LPS Dave, slightly, vaguely. Looks like a shillelagh.
It looks like it doesn't work too well either.
It looks like a. What do you call those things you throw them and they come back?
A boomerang?
Boomerang, LPS Dave. A boomerang hockey stick.
Now,
Now, does this adjust for left-handed and right-handed?
I will.
I don't know if you're talking about LPS Dave.
put
the
this
stick on, careful, because you crack it,
in
and the plastic will break. And I don't know what I'm talking about. So, do you think it's going to work if you put the puck on there and it just goes? I don't know what happens, because
It's
that didn't work very
bro.
well. That didn't work very well.
Can
Uh-oh, that didn't work very well, LPS Dave. Uh-oh.
Okay.
I told you to be
I'm
careful.
assuming.
Well, be careful.
Which way do you do it? It's got to be this way or that. It's very confusing. Mechanism cheaply made.
Yeah, I can't imagine that's going to put much force behind one of those pucks.
I know. I'd rather just go like that.
Uh-huh.
Which way do you think that goes? They don't show you. I think the flat side, yeah, they show the flat side towards you. Put in channel without breaking.
Oh, boy. I demand a refund of the $1 that was spent on this.
Now it's locked in. This is obviously for left-handed players. I like that. Now, don't you think that should be the stick?
You'd think that would be the one that you would
weird
use to shoot.
stick, and then you put the pucks in the side.
You put them in up like standing up, LPS-Dave?
I guess so. I don't know. It looks like there's a slot, but no, I don't think so. So here we go. First shot, and he
Not bad.
does not score.
Not bad, LPS-Dave.
All right,
It did have more speed than I expected, I have to say.
much more. Now, why do they have little slots on the top? You would think, but no, you'd want to keep it flat. Okay, there's got to be a way to do this where you got to use two hands and now shoot. Yes!
Goal!
That is worth a point.
They always have the horn, LPS-Dave.
Oh, missed.
Slap shot.
Well, I'm going to say I do like the novelty of it. It is a novelty type item. Last minute purchase at the cash register. Pull the lever back and shoot. It went in.
That's a goal, LPS-Dave.
It went in.
Lit the lamp. The goalie's not very good at what he does, I have to say. He's a little stationary.
Maybe turn him this way, because I seem to be favoring the right side.
That's interesting.
Here we go. And go! Oh!
You gotcha. That's a stick save, LPS-Dave. Trying through the 5-hole, and there's a pad save. Oh, he's standing on his head for this one.
No. So
Hockey
he's
lingo.
harder one standing on his head. Is that hockey lingo? Okay, let's see how far
See
back
if you can get a wrister in there, LPS-Dave.
Oh!
There it is. You did it. Got some air under that one.
That wasn't flat.
You're flying all over the
I
place.
want to see what happened. I'm going
2 minutes. 2 minutes for roughing.
All three of them went off the arena.
Right into the stands.
Is it arena?
The rink.
It's a rink? The arena is the main place.
Correct. The Arinka.
The Arinka, where you go watch ice hockey. I'm gonna do one quick close up here so we get a real good close up shot.
I'll be back here cheering you on.
Thank you. Okay,
All right, LPS-Dave. Give it a slap.
I will. One. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
On one.
I know it's a very fidgety little system.
I know the feeling.
You'd want to be able to put it down, then pull this back, so you have freedom. Oh, I don't like that.
Lit the lamp.
I don't like that. And shoot. Oh.
Oh, nice save, goalie.
Weak. Shoot. Yes.
There's a goal.
The net. I'm kind of wondering the crease.
The crease.
The crease. Is there like something creased in the ice?
It is.
Crease
yes.
would be in your sweater or your shirt. You've got a
You have
crease.
a crease in this. Yes.
Two.
They do call the jerseys sweaters too, LPS-Dave.
They do. They're not called jerseys. They're called sweaters.
Call them sweaters.
Sweaters, creases.
You got the blue line.
The blue line.
You got offsides. You got the penalty box. The sin bin, if you will. Let's see what else you got, LPS-Dave.
Ooh, score.
Wrister. A wrister. That's
Got
where
the
they
high
lift the
stick.
puck. High
Like
stick.
when you
That's
hold it
not
up
good.
over your head.
That's not good.
High stick.
They call their teeth chiclets.
Chiclets.
And
because
they get
their teeth keep falling
popped
out.
in the mouth every once in a while, and the chiclets end up on the ice.
That's scary.
Hockey players are a different breed, LPS-Dave. I have to
Different
say.
breed. I hear you. All right, well, there you go. It is fingerboard games, ice hockey. There'll be two more
Hockey.
that Butch and I will check out at some point. I can't say when. Could be 11 years from now. I don't know, but
Could
we'll
be
eventually
11
get
years.
it done.
We will be here.
Thanks for watching. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.